Hey there, so it's Lance Yolanoff, and look, we live in COVID times now, and if we're smart, we're keeping our distance and we're wearing face masks. I have a variety of face masks. I have this one, and this one, and in a pinch, this one. But I've never had one that was custom made for me. So TrueContour, a company that has a 3D imaging map, is using 3D scans to custom make masks for people like me. So they sent me a note and said, download the app, scan your face, and we'll send you a custom mask. Now, the scanning of your face costs nothing, but the mask itself costs $95, and then you can get replaceable filters if you need them. But again, I have no idea how good this mask is. So my mask arrived a couple of days ago. It's inside this box. Boy, it is so light. Feels like there's nothing inside of here. Let's open it up. Okay, it's inside of here. Let's pull it out. I guess each mask might come in a, it's not, nice bag. I don't know if it's leather. Here it is. My custom made mask. All right, so it's got parts. Is there instructions here? No. Okay, I think this is the main strap, and I think that this is all 3D printed, by the way, and you can really tell that when you look at the rings here. A little bit less so on this main part of the mask, but I think that these rings, yeah, these rings, I just popped. So I see the filters pop right out. So from what I can tell, you have two options. You get this kind of strap, which might be a little bit more secure, and then you also get this kind of strap, which looks like it might just go around your ears. I'm not even sure yet. I mean, here's the thing. I scanned my face without my glasses. This has been printed supposedly to match the contour of my face. I just want to point out I have a prominent nose, so all right, here we go. Oh, no. Is that loosening? I think that's loosening. Let's see. Oh, well, it's all tight. Let's loosen it. Just going to show you again how I put this ring on here. There we go. But I think I have to position it so it's a little bit more toward my ear. Here we go again. So I've loosened this a little bit. I'm hoping. I'll try and keep my hands away. Okay, so I figured out that the best way to put this on with this strap is to position on your face with one side on and then bring it around the other side and put that on. And I had to loosen it quite a bit too to make it fit. It's maybe still a little tight, not bad. Maybe makes a little mark on my face. Good news and bad news here. Good news is this really does seem to match the contours of my face. I mean, it's maybe a little snug on the bridge of my nose, pressing down a little bit. I'm not fogging up my glasses, which is a big deal. I do have the vents here. I am fogging this up. I don't know what people think if I go out with this, but I might try. I think that this thinner strap, I think I put it over like this first, and then maybe, yeah, and put it behind my ears. Yeah, I think I've got to loosen this though. So I've got to pull more here, more here. Oh. All right. So that's, I mean, I don't know if I should try and tighten this or not, but it's still not a bad fit. I got all of these masks for free. I paid a couple of bucks for a pack of these. This would cost me $95. Now, the benefit is it's custom made for me. That's the contours of my face. The downside is these 3D printed rings don't stay on that well. The filters pop out quite often. This is a little bit of a contraption. So is this. But you know, I think that with some refinement of the manufacturing process, also bringing the price down below $95, which is a lot of money, this shows some promise. So thanks TrueContour for my custom-made mask. It may get some wear. Does at least stop the fogging on my glasses. Does look a little strange, but it's a good start. Thanks for watching. Remember to rate, review, and subscribe.